Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Alright, so today we're going to do an unboxing video. So I haven't really made any new crafts lately. The reason being because I want to go ahead and start reviewing more products like this. So I went ahead and went on Amazon and I looked up different craft kits that are pre-assembled. This one really stood out to me because I've always wanted to get into string art. I didn't want to get anything too complicated yet. I just want to, just get my feet wet a little bit, learn the ropes. So I started out with this. I know what it looks like. It's like a little kitty string art kit, if you can see that. I'll show you guys the box later here in a minute. But yeah, it's a pretty simple thing to do. But I actually found this kit online, like I said, on Amazon, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. The more I practice doing this, I might start, doing like bigger string art crafts in the future. But for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and start, do more unboxing videos for you guys, and try to mix things up so it's not just the same thing over and over again. Because even I get bored from making crafts day in and day out. I enjoy things like this, Alright, let's get into this video, guys. And stick around because we're going to open this up. I'm going to review it, tell you guys what I like and what I don't like. Let's get into this. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and unbox this thing. But first, why not take a look around the box? Alright, so at the top it says Dan and Darcy. I think I went to high school with them. Pretty nice people. Not really. So 3D string art. That's the title. Makes one super-size star lantern. 18 inches by 18 inches, and it includes 20 multicolored light bulbs, LED. So I guess they're going to shine pretty bright. It's for ages 8 and up. We're just gonna disregard that. On the next side, it says it requires 2 AA batteries. I wish I would have known that beforehand. I don't really keep batteries. Everything nowadays is rechargeable, or you can just plug it into a USB port. So I don't really have batteries, but I guess I gotta go get some later. Above that, just more of the title and the manufacturer. On the top, same thing. On the back, you have a picture of what the string art looks like when it's completed. It includes, I think over here, yeah, what's in the package is the inflatable star. I'm guessing you get a spare. I don't know. We'll see here when I open it, but I'm pretty sure that's what it means. So I know I'm gonna mess up the first time I do this. You get string lights, 20 multicolored LED bulbs, requires 2 AA batteries, highly absorbent multicolored string. I've never seen highly absorbent string. Is that like yarn? I don't know. Elegant battery case. Ooh, it's elegant. I can't go wrong with that. A metallic hanging cord. Nice and sturdy. We don't want this thing to fall down. You get a jar of grippy goo glue. Grippy goo glue. I guess that's some kind of adhesive to hold the string together. Disposable craft gloves. I got plenty of those, but I'll use the one that came in the kit. Plastic inflation straw. If it's a balloon, why do you need a straw to inflate it? But yeah, I won't really know until I open the package and see what's going on here. Metallic twist ties. So I don't know what the twist ties are going to be used for either. At the bottom, you have the WhatsApp barcode. You can scan that, get in touch with the company. All right, enough of that. On the next side, we have the inflatable star, multicolored string, grippy glue, LED lights, and gloves. And the bottom, there's really nothing but the logo. Dan and Darcy. Shout out to you guys for making this product. All right, let's go ahead and open it. All right, so it has a little tape at the top. We're gonna go ahead and cut that open and let's see what's inside. Now everybody has something to use to unbox something. It could be like a letter opener or a razor or a box cutter. I wish I had those things, but I have a box cutter, but it's in my car and I'm kind of lazy. I don't feel like going to get it. So I have this professional device for opening packages. Let's see if I can actually get it open. It's gonna be hard using a fork, but like I said, I'm really lazy sometimes and I don't really... Oh, there we go. That was a lot easier than I thought. There we go. Got it open. Professional package opening tool. You know what? I might start using this from now on. Put that to the side. Let's go ahead and pop this open. All right. So we have some kind of warning on this package. I don't know. It says when sealing the balloon, make sure it's tightly sealed so the balloon doesn't deflate throughout the drying process. All right, we'll keep that in mind. Put that to the side. And we have just some like documentation. Let's see what it says on the inside. Oh, it's the instructions. You guys see that? This is pretty much the instructions. I might use this, but knowing me, I never use instructions for anything. I like the challenge of trying to figure it out for myself. But for those of you at home, go ahead and use the instructions because you don't want to waste your money trying to make mistakes after mistakes. It's better to do it the right way. But me, I'm not gonna use it. Next up we have this is the multicolored string, highly absorbent. I guess I was right. It's pretty much yarn. And because I never heard of, what did it say on the package? Highly absorbent string. There we go. It's pretty much yarn. All right, so you get this. You get quite a bit of it too. It's nice and soft. All right, so put that to the side. Next up, we have the string lights. You gotta get that open. Back to using the, what did I name this? The professional package opening device. Let's go ahead and get this open. There we go. I think that should do the trick. We can take that off. Open up the case. There we go. Man, I need smaller fingers. There we go. And we'll put this to the side. Get rid of that tape. And there you go. So I guess the batteries go in here. And then it activates these lights. Let's go ahead and see what the lights look like. Can't hurt to take a peek. All right, so I guess it's these little tiny lights right there. I guess every couple inches you get a light, and they're LED lights. Not too bad, kind of like that. All right, we'll set that to the side. Last but not least, I think it's last. Let's see what's in there. Yeah, there's nothing else left in the package. Last but not least, we have Grippy Goo Glue. And that's the front of it. Warning, do not eat. Well, it is made for ages 8 and up, so I guess they have to put that on there. But I'm not really gonna eat this later. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. The glue looks kind of like Elmer's glue, honestly. Doesn't really have a smell to it either, which is what I like. I don't like stuff like rubber cement. And you know, other adhesives that are like really, you know, have like a really loud smell to it, like a chemical smell. You know, I'm not trying to pass out while I'm trying to make things. All right, there we go. That's everything that's included in the package. And let's go ahead and start putting things together.